Exam season means 3 weeks of stressing out about getting the marks I want and need. So, I thoroughly plan out study methods and schedules to ensure that I know the material. But I'm spending many of my evenings avoiding work and watching YouTube instead. Why is that? Procrastination is a common stress reaction. Stress is a survival instinct. It is the shift of energy resources to deal with danger. Known as the fight or flight response, stress causes our bodies to either prepare to face danger head-on or escape. Why do I procrastinate knowing that it will only make the stress worse later? It all starts in our brains. The different lobes in our cerebrum send and process nerve signals through our peripheral nervous system. When danger is processed, our hypothalamus releases corticotropin-releasing hormone. This chemical signals to its friend, the pituitary gland, to produce and send out adrenocorticotropic hormone. Through the blood, this hormone goes down to the adrenal cortex and activates our sympathetic nervous system. Here, it signals the release of cortisol, the primary stress hormone, and epinephrine. Using receptors to communicate, these hormones travel throughout the body. Cortisol begins burning off fat, releasing glucose into the bloodstream. Meanwhile, epinephrine increases heart rate and blood flow, moving the new glucose to all parts of the body. It also dilates our pupils, decreases sensitivity to pain, and increases alertness. Stress turns your brain into a supercomputer, which is vital when in a situation that requires an instant response. It can seem like time slows down because you're processing much more information than you normally would. When enough of these hormones have been released to ensure safety, a negative feedback system shuts off their supply. Like a thermostat, when there's too much of a single hormone, the producer shuts down to ensure the body's homeostasis is maintained. Then, the parasympathetic nervous system activates to relieve the body from the amount of energy it just used. Our ancestors used this important reaction for survival, especially for avoiding predators. But now that those large concerns are mostly out of the way, stress often kicks in for upcoming events like exams. Procrastination is an outcome of stress, which is only concerned with your safety at the moment. By disregarding that the danger of exams will soon return, stress demonstrates itself as an outdated way of dealing with modern-day problems.